Okay, so as it's nearly Halloween, I thought we'd share some really simple, quick, easy cupcake topper ideas with you. So today I'm going to be doing a little witch's hat. So really nice and simple, doesn't require a great deal of tools. I've got black fondant, I'm rolling it out, and a circle cookie cutter. So I'm just going to cut a circle. I'm going to take a little bit of fondant and roll it into a cone. And as you can see, maybe a little bit bigger. So, a bit of a cone shape, right in the bottom. Cone shape. And just attach it down. Nice and simple. Make it pointy. As a witch's hat. And that's a general quick, easy witch's hat. So now we're going to add some detail to it. Whoops. So I've got some purple fondant for the strap. So all I'm going to do is soften it up. Roll it out. Nice and thin. Okay. You can either take a knife. I do like to use like this in our supermarket. It's just a pizza cutter, believe it or not. But I love using it. It's so quick and simple. Okay, I want a small thin strip. Oops. Try again. It's not really even. Okay, try again. Okay. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to take it around the base. Knock it over. Take my knife. I'm going to cut it. And take out the excess. And attach it on. Flatten it out. Get it to join properly. Okay. So as you can see, that's the little start of our witch's hat. Then we get a little buckle. So I've taken some yellow fondant, softening it up. And we can cut a little square. So again, nice and thin. And we're just going to cut ourselves. We want it to be about the same height as the hat's rim. and just a tiny little square that we're just going to attach onto the front. It's drying out, so we'll just add a tiny bit of water to it and attach it on. And there you have it. Little witches' hats for your cupcakes. Goes really nicely with the other ones.